Hi everyone, how are you? Once again, welcome back to my channel Sajitop Mediquip, distributor of medical equipments and healthcare products. I am Sanjeev Bansal. Today we will show you a very good product which is used in all the hospitals, used by doctors and clinics, doctors at the clinics, and that is basically the product LED X-ray view box. LED X-ray view box, as you can see box packing के अंदर है. It's a fantastic product which is used by the doctors. अभी मैं आपको I'll show you, I'll unbox this product and show you the product. It is a fantastic product which is used by doctors at the clinic and in hospitals to view the X-ray films of the patients. It's a fantastic product. LED light होती है इसके अंदर. चलिए let us start. I'll show you the product. I'll unbox this product. It comes in this packing and another thing, this product is totally GMP approved, ISO certified, CE marked. Go for a quality product. LED with adjustable brightness, elegant design with illumination, high frequency inverted technology, a fantastic product. And I'll now start and show you the product. चलिए इसको we'll unbox the product and I'll show you one by one. This is a very good elegant product. This is the adapter of the product and just see, beautiful. This is the product, the X-ray view box. This is the view box which is used by doctors at the clinic, used in hospitals, or normally doctors put this nearby to their table. They can put it on their wall also by this way. और इसके अंदर जो है, now I'll show you how to use this product. This is the view box, this is the adapter. This is the adapter, as you can see, it runs on the main. ये जो adapter है इसका मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये इसको we'll open up this, और this adapter, this thing is connected over here. We'll connect it. Just see, आप देखिए ये जो है यहाँ पे मेंस हमने यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर दिया इसका, और उसके बाद में ये जो इसका adapter है, this we will connect to the mains. Now this is absolutely connected. और इसके बाद में इसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए, this is the view box. This the doctors are applying on their wall. This is wall mounted also. They can keep it this way on the table also. And now putting up the X-ray film. और इसको यहाँ से जो है, this button is there, the on off button is there. इसको on करेंगे. Just see, this has started. This is the LED light, the LED view box. Now I'll tell you how to apply. Let us presume this company catalog as the X-ray film of the patient. Now when the doctor is having the X-ray film, the doctor can simply apply it over here, and this is the way you can see the X-ray film of the patient, and this is the way it is taken out. And this is the light controller over here also. You can control the light also if you want this way. Just see, this is the light controller. जितनी भी लाइट आपको चाहिए आप उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं as per the need of the doctor. And now coming on to this catalog, just see, this is the thing, this we had applied. And now just one more feature I'll show you of this fantastic product, LED view box, is the auto sensor. Whenever the doctor is having the X-ray film and the doctor is putting, let us presume this catalog as the X-ray film, and we are putting it over here, and this is auto sensor. Automatically it will open up. There is no need to switch on and switch off. When we'll take out, let us say, this catalog, it will be auto off. Again इसको लगाएंगे, presuming as X-ray film, the doctor can easily see the complete X-ray and view, as well as I told you, the doctor can control the illumination also to be used. This is a fantastic product this way, and when we'll take it out, it will be auto off. This is the product which I told you today. And LED view box, it is electrically operated. Thank you very much friends. Just like, subscribe and share to my channel as much as possible. Thank you very much. Sanjeev Bansal, Sajitop Mediquip.